Why are you in my house?
Your house?
Yeah, so
So basically, I got void trapped here. I think you know some info about the Wither Storm.
Well, I know a way to destroy it.
So, do you know some info about the Wither Storm?
Yeah, I know how to destroy it, but to be worthy of this information, you're gonna have to live in my civilization for long enough to
Okay,
own
so,
it.
and who's this person? Like, is he supposed to be a guard or something?
Yeah, he's like an elite god. Don't ask. Like,
Okay, can I go now?
sure.
So I'm good to go now. I'm just gonna live here.
Yeah, no.
Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
right, that's it.
Oh my god.
Uh, you're gonna have to follow him around and make sure he doesn't do anything suspicious.